Cerise here, and today's video I have a very special unboxing for you guys. Now I'm so excited to be doing this. This is from my lovely friend Libby from Evernightalley. She has a soap business here in Christchurch, New Zealand. It's cruelty-free, vegan, 100% palm oil free, and it's made in New Zealand. Also, all of her packaging she tries to use as least amount of plastics, always trying to go for glass and biodegradable products. This is a company that really strives on recycling items, and I mean, we've got to keep the world a better and happier place, so why not start here? So if you guys want to go check out Evernightalley and you like any of the things that are in this, the link in the description is for the website, the brand new website, brand new products. I am so excited to dive on into this. They sell a bunch of different things. There's soaps, there's beard care, there's primers, there's scrunchies, there's like masks, there's hats, like all sorts. She sews, she makes soaps. Like, this woman is incredible, and I cannot wait to open this. I feel so honored to receive the first PR package. I'm just, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, oh, that's your cute little logo. I love that. Alrighty, so it says your box stinks. Thank you. No, I know. Alright, so especially for you, I found it. She found your little cards. Love that. Oh my god, look at this pretty things inside. Oh my gosh, hang on, I need to like angle this. Hopefully I don't. Oh, this is cute. We got this. Alright, let's open this up. Oh my god. This box literally smells so incredible. I wish you guys could smell it. Like, oh my god, it literally smells so good. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, alright. So what have we got here? This is just one of her... Oh, I was going to say, this is like one of the bags that stickers come in, but there's actually stickers in here. Oh my god, okay, okay, okay. Oh, the little bat! Oh my god, that's so cute! And then we've got, oh my god, this unicorn sweetie, bitch, she is freaking cute! And then we've got, oh, this little one! Susie and the Banshees, I think? That's cute. I really want to, like, should I just put the little, like, unicorn down here? Like, on the wall here? I think that would be freaking cute. Or the little bat. The bat's so cute. Oh my god. The bat's adorable. I'm like, these stickers are going my wall. They've got to go here, right? I'm going to be back here. I'll put them in the bag because I want them to be safe. I'm so excited to get into this. I love this, like, Christmas. Yay! Oh my gosh. This Halloween bow. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my god, alright. That's it. My life. Oh, you can't see it, but oh my god, that looks so cute in my hair. Oh, I love that. I mean, I loved it, but now I see it in my hair and I'm like, I super love that. That's freaking cute. I love that. Oh my god, this is crunchy. The roses and the leopard. Oh my god. Okay, speaking to my soul, this is like my, oh, I love this. I'm gonna fluff her up. This is my aesthetic from now on. I don't want to talk to anyone else until they've accepted this is who I am. Like this. This material is so freaking cute. Alright, so let's get into these soapy articles that we've got here. So, we've got Love Spell. Oh my god. This smells so good. Look at it. It's so cute. I love the detailing on the top. Like, oh, it's just so stunning. The ingredients in it. External use only. Do not eat the soap. Because, I mean, I would. It looks pretty much good to eat. It's got oils in it, sugar, all these. I'm not going to tell you because you need to buy it to work out what the ingredients are. I'm not going to give you a little cheat sheet, okay? You need to buy this. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love that. Okay, she can go here. She's cute. All right, and then we've got, oh, me dropping everything. Now I feel bad because I can't put it all in cute, but this is the next soap that we have here. This is the Solar Grapefruit. Oh my god. I want to wash my makeup brushes in this because I feel like this is just going to be, oh my god, it's so cute. Look at the top. Oh my god. the colors in it. It's just like a galaxy. It's so incredible. Like, these would make such a cute gift, or to like wash your makeup brushes, or just to like wash your body. I mean, what else is soap for? Do you know what I mean? Alright, and then we've got the next soap. What have we got here? This is Witch's Cottage. Gingerbread! I love gingerbread! Oh my god. Oh my god. This literally smells like Christmas. I wish you could smell this. This is so freaking cute. Look at the top. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love ginger kisses, which is like a treat you can get here in New Zealand. I freaking love them. This smells like them. I love it, and it smells like Christmas. Oh my god. Not as bad as I thought, but it says do not eat, but actual not as bad as I thought. Interesting, questionable, do not like it, do not like it. But it just smells so good, I just want to lick it. Alright, and then we've got here, what is this one here? This is the, this is just like a specialty soap maybe? Or just soap? Like not a fancy soap, this is just like, this is a normal cute heart soap. I'm gonna wash my brushes with this. Hell yes, I'm washing my brushes with this. Oh my god. Oh my god, this smells so cute. Love it. Love it. I can't even describe the smell to you because it's just so amazing. I just can't even like fathom the smell. I'm just like, oh my god. I'm overwhelmed. This is a lot. I'm really excited. Okay, now we've got a salve. So what does a salve do? Smells cute. I'm gonna Google. Hey Siri, what does a salve do? Because I'm not smart. Alright, so I thought that was it. A salve is something to kind of like help your skin, treat your skin. So this is part of the tattoo stuff that she was giving me, like something to kind of help hydrate your dry skin, which is really amazing for me because as a dog groomer, I get the dry... Oh my god, that literally feels so nice. I thought it was like a like salve to like kind of like hydrate. Oh my god, that smells so good. A natural one as well. Like salves are really, really good to help like make your skin more healed. I always use them around my cuticles as well. Also, my French is doing some weird thing right now. I'm like, what's going on? But a salve, oh my god, I completely forgot that she was putting this in here. So yeah, a salve, amazing for all your tattoo needs. If you have dry skin, if you're always in water, like a salve is where it's at. So I knew that. And then last but not least, we have a primer and finishing spray, Love Spell, and this is black raspberry and vanilla. Alright, let's try it. Oh, sweet Jesus. I am in like prepped and primed heaven right now. Like literally, this feels so nice on my face. The smell, I feel like I smell like candy. And I have such a sensitive nose that didn't irritate my nose at all. That's probably a bit of overkill to put on my face. Didn't even bother me. Alright, so this is all the kinds of different things that you can get from Evernightalley. That primer and finishing spray, I'm just like, I'm finished. That's it. My whole life, like, I'm like, I feel dewy, I feel nice. I feel like my makeup is literally gonna last forever. I'm just like, oh! And these soaps are just so aesthetic to look at. Like, I could only imagine just having like a full room of them and just being like, oh! Like, I do already have some of these soaps as well, which I'm gonna go grab because I got these and these are amazing. So hold on. So I've got this soap here, which is the Cucumber Melon. It's got dinosaurs on it. I have this on my windowsill, but I do need to use it because, you know, soaps can go off, but it's just so pretty. Like, look at it, the little dinosaurs. Oh my god, I love it. And then this is the Blue Waffle soap. Honestly, if you guys know Blue Waffle from your childhood, if you look it up now, it comes up with Blue Waffles. If you're too young, you're too young. But this soap, oh, it's just incredible. Like, honestly, the amount of products that this girl can whip out is absolutely stunning. I'm just like, she amazes me. I'm amazed. So yeah, that was my unboxing of my Evernightalley haul. Honestly, if you love fragrances, specialty soaps, if you like biodegradable items, if you like a company that's really, really trying to make a change in this world and also affordable and cute and amazing, you guys need to go check out Evernightalley because honestly, I'm blown away. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite product from this was. Like, what are you excited to try? Are you gonna go make an order? Because go now. But until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I was just packing up and I found one more soap. Oh my god. So here's a little extra one. This is the Summer Solstice Citrus and Basil. Oh my god. That one just smells like beautiful, citrusy, like, oh my gosh. And this one, I actually think is really, really cute. I'm like, it's actually really adorable. I love the like pastel colors. I'm like, oh, she's so cute. But we didn't forget about her. I'm sorry. It's